Hello. December last year I received the GoPro entry level as a gift, and from the moment I did something with this little gem of a camera, I was just captivated by it. It just got under my skin, and I knew from day one that I was going to update to a higher level GoPro. That day is today. But it's not only about the GoPro, it's also about the deal I got here in the Netherlands. I purchased the GoPro 4 Silver at 399 euros. That's about $450. I'm not going to do any unboxing because that's been done so many times on YouTube. But with the 399 euros, $450, I didn't just get the GoPro Silver, I also got the GoPro head strip quick clip and a SanDisk Extreme SD card at 16 GB. So in my opinion, yeah, it's a lot of money, but value for money. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and have fun with your GoPros.